Alright, what are we doing, Nick?
We are going to rescue my other rig. We were on the desert yesterday and the fuel pump quit on us. Out in the middle of an off-road trail. Out in the middle of the desert.
So it begins, episode 1 of the new series, yet to be titled, where we fix things. We got the tools in the back. It's daytime still. Pulling off into the desert. Gonna go find this thing.
Right about that.
It's the rig for today.
Let's see what's on the other side, shall we?
Here we are. This is where she died.
In the middle of the desert. Just sat here yesterday for like 5 hours. So peaceful.
I'm freaking out.
Well, we're out here in the wind, waiting for Anthony. I think he'll be here in 4 hours.
Step 1,
Skid plate.
step 2,
Electrical connections.
step 3,
Bolt up straps.
step 4.
See what we
Drop
see.
the tank. We drop the tank.
We're just gonna see what
Step
we
4,
see.
drop the tank.
And
Step
then
5, you take the fuel pump out, put the new fuel pump in. Step 6, profit.
Ah.
Coming down. Step 1, complete.
Skid plate out.
Step 2, complete.
Before we get too crazy, let's just try loosening up this ground and see if maybe it was just a bad ground.
No way. No way.
Always check your grounds. You can turn it off.
Well, that turned out to be a much easier job than anticipated. It looks like the wires just came loose on the fuel pump. Didn't even go out.
Oh yeah. That's much better. Good old American muscle. She might break down, but she's damn reliable. Well, folks, she's not fixed, but we're closer. Just gotta go jiggle that wire again.
Oof. All right, folks, we lied. It's not that simple.
We're back at it again.
Back at it again. In the canyons.
In the desert. Maybe we learned when it runs, don't turn it off.
She's not gonna let us have it that easy. I think she might have just worked for a minute, and then yeah, the fuel pump is done. Step 3, drop in the tank.
That hose. It's been on here since '93, and it's not wanting to cooperate. This hose is just so damn old. Step 5. Put the fuel pump in that thing.
Didn't work.
Putting the new fuel pump in the sender. Yeah. Now, was this like that, or was this like that? Yeah.
Step 5, complete. Time to put this thing back in the car and get out of the desert.
It needs to come a little bit forward, honestly.
Last of the sun's going down.
Last of the bolts are going in. We have a success. We have great success. Let's see.
Hey.
Orbit. Aside from that,
All right.
running. We'll see if we can make it out of the desert.
So that's the first episode of fixing things and stuff. What will we fix next? We don't know. It hasn't broken yet.
Yes, that's what happens when a candle gets run over by a Suburban.
Poof.